Morning students, in the last class, exercise 10.4, 4-5 sums completed. Now write down problem number 6. 10.4, problem number 6. So what is problem number 6? Find the total surface area of a hemisphere. Find the total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 10 centimeters. So the problem is about hemisphere. What is the example for hemisphere? Bowl. Bowl is the best example for hemisphere. What is the diagram of hemisphere? This is the diagram of hemisphere. Just like semicircle, hemisphere. Find the total surface area of a hemisphere, radius 10 centimeters. So given, what is given? Radius of a hemisphere is given. We need to find out total surface area of hemisphere. Given radius of hemisphere. Given radius of hemisphere equal to 10 centimeters. Given radius of hemisphere equal to 10 centimeters. What is total surface area of hemisphere? Total surface area of hemisphere. What is the total surface area of hemisphere? 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square. Total surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Substitute 3 into, what is pi value? 3.14. Use pi value as 3.14. 3 into 3.14 into r square, 10 into 10. Radius 10, r square 10 into 10. So 3 pi r square. Total surface area of a hemisphere equal to 3 pi r square. 3 into pi value 3.14 into r square, 10 into 10. So multiply 3 into 3.14. Do rough work. 3.14 into 3. Multiplication. 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. 3 3s are 9. 9.42. So 9.42 into 10 10s are 100. Now multiply with 100. 9.42 multiply with 100. How to write 9.42? 942 by 100 without decimal. So how to write 9.42 without decimal? After decimal, two numbers are there. If you want to write without decimal, what number to write in denominator? 100. So 9.42 can be written as 942 by 100 into 100. Then cancellation, 100 cancel. 942 centimeter square. 942 centimeter square. See again, what is given? Given radius of hemisphere equal to 10 centimeters. Total surface area of hemisphere formula 3 pi r square. 3 into pi value 3.14. Use pi value 3.14 into r square, 10 into 10. 3 into 3.14. Multiplication 9.42 into 100. How to write 9.42? 942 by 100 into 100. 100 cancel. 942 centimeter square. That is about problem number 6 in 10.4. Now write problem number 7 in 10.4. What is problem number 7 in 10.4? Problem number 7 in 10.4. The diameter of a spherical balloon. The diameter of a spherical balloon increases from 14 centimeters to 28 centimeters as air being pumped into it. Full stop. Find the ratio of surface areas. Find the ratio of surface areas of the balloons in the two cases. So see the problem once, write the problem and see the problem. What is there in the problem? The diameter of a spherical balloon. The problem is about balloon which is in spherical shape. The diameter of a spherical balloon increases from 14 centimeters to 28 centimeters. Okay, the size of the balloon increases. So 14 centimeters to 28 centimeters. Diameter increases from 14 to 28 as air being pumped into it. Find the ratio of surface areas of the balloons in two cases. So the problem is about spherical balloon. Case 1, two cases are there. In first case, diameter is 14 centimeters. In the second case, diameter is 28 centimeters. That means size of the balloon increases as air being pumped into it. Case 1, diameter of the spherical balloon 14 centimeters. Case 2, diameter of the spherical balloon 28 centimeters. Find the ratio of surface areas. Now about here, what is given? Balloon is in the shape of sphere. Balloon is in the shape of sphere. So there is spherical balloon. Now case 1. Two cases are there. Case 1. Diameter 14 centimeters. Diameter 14 centimeters. What is the relation between radius and diameter? Radius equal to diameter by 2. Relation between radius and diameter. Radius equal to diameter by 2. 14 by 2. Cancellation 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. Then CSA. Surface area of the balloon. Surface area of the balloon. Formula 4 pi r square. Surface area of the balloon formula, because it is in spherical shape. Surface area of sphere 4 pi r square. 4 pi into what is r? 7 whole square. 4 pi r square. Radius 7. 4 pi 7 whole square. 4 pi into 7 square 49. That is about case 1. Diameter 14. Radius equal to diameter by 2. 14 by 2. 7 centimeters. surface area formula sphere 4 pi r square 4 pi into 7 whole square 4 pi into 49. That is case 1. Now case 2. What is case 2? Diameter increases from 14 to 28. Size of the balloon increases automatically. Diameter 28 centimeters. Diameter 28 centimeters. Radius equal to diameter by 2. Radius equal to diameter by 2. 28 by 2. Cancellation. 1 time, 4 times. 14 centimeters. So diameter 28, radius equal to diameter by 2, 28 by 2, 14 centimeters. Then again surface area again formula 4 pi r square. Surface area formula 4 pi r square. 4 pi into what is r? 14 whole square. What is r? Radius to 14 whole square. 4 pi into 14 jar. 14 into 14 how much? 14 4 jar 56. 14 1 jar 14 19 196. So first one surface area 4 pi into 49. Second one surface area 4 pi into 96. Then ratio of surface areas. Ratio of surface areas equal to first one 4 pi into 49. 4 pi into 49 is to second one 4 pi into 196. First one 4 pi into 49. Second one 4 pi into 196. 4 pi cancel. 49 is to 196. 49 is to 196. Do cancellation. 49 table. 1 time 4 times. 1 is to 4. So see again. Two cases are there because diameter increases from 14 to 28. Diameter increases from 14 to 28. Case 1 diameter 14, radius equal to diameter by 2, 14 by 2 7 centimeters. Surface area formula 4 pi r square. 4 pi into 7 whole square. 7 whole square how much? 49. Case 2 diameter increases from 14 to 28. So diameter 28, size of the balloon also increases. Radius equal to diameter by 2, 28 by 2, 14 centimeters. Surface area again formula 4 pi r square. 4 pi into 14 whole square. What is 14 whole square? 196. Ratio of surface areas 4 pi into 49 is to 4 pi into 196. 4 pi cancel. Then what is left? 49 is to 196. 49 table. 1 time 4 times 1 is to 4. So that is about spherical balloon. Diameter increases. Diameter increases means size of the balloon also increases. This is case 1, surface area. This is case 2, surface area. Ratio of surface areas 4 pi into 49 is to 4 pi into 196. 4 pi cancel. 49 is to 196. 49 table cancellation directly. So 1 is to 4. So ratio of surface areas equal to 1 is to 4. In the next class we continue the remaining sums. Thank you students.